Annual Exhibition on Services, the largest service show in India, is a global platform for increasing trade in services, enhancing strategic cooperation, and strengthening multilateral relationships between stakeholders from India and overseas. The fifth edition of this annual event took place in Bangalore in full swing. Participants from diverse disciplines and sectors came together for the three-day event, led by the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, in association with Services Export Promotion Council, SEPC, and Confederation of Indian Industry, CII.
This global exhibition on services has come to Bangalore this time, and I thank the GES for organizing it in Bangalore so that we could get a chance to participate in this exhibition.
Dubbed as the sector of the current millennium, the services sector drives the Indian economy in an inclusive and equitable manner and represents 60% of India's GDP.
I am very hopeful that the services sector will benefit by these events, and as expected, it will contribute more to the overall GDP of India.
The highlights of the 2019 edition of GES included a focus on increasing trade in services, a showcasing of the 12 champion service sectors of the year, with knowledge sessions on each, studio talks, themed pavilions, participation by young entrepreneurs, and strong international participation. Spread over 65,000 square meters, GES 2019 saw representation from both the public and private sector.
On the B2B level, with delegates from Africa showing keen interest in India's public digital platforms, and we also had very good meetings with some CIS countries and from representatives from Bulgaria as well.
The event facilitated partnerships through structured B2B, B2G, G2G meetings, had overseas delegations led by trade ministers and industry leaders, and guided tours for industry delegations, along with live training and workshops, celebrity studio talks, tech showcases, and wonderful displays of culture and cuisine on all 3 days.
This experience has been so fulfilling and so rewarding. I've been to many sessions, I've had so many back-to-back meetings, and it's been a platform where I've met so many people, and this is the perfect platform to be in.
The inaugural session was addressed by Mr. Piyush Goyal, Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry and Railways, Government of India.
And when we showcase such programs to the rest of the world, it will encourage other countries to take our expertise, to use our services.
Amongst the speakers were Mr. Sudhanshu Pandey, Additional Secretary, Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Vikram Kirloskar, President, Confederation of Indian Industry and Vice Chairman, Toyota Kirloskar Motor, Mr. Rajesh Kumar I. Modi, Honorable Deputy Minister of Industry and Commerce, Zimbabwe.
It's very exciting. I spent last 2 days meeting so many people, and it's a very good initiative from the Government of India to showcase our Indian products to the rest of the world.
And Justice Srimati Pratibha M. Singh, High Court of Delhi. The champion sectors of the 5th edition were information technology and information technology-enabled services, tourism and hospitality services, medical value travel services, transport and logistics services, accounting and finance services, audiovisual services, legal services, communication services, construction and related engineering services, environmental services, financial services, and education services. GES 2019 was a meeting of minds and a display of innovation across these sectors and more, giving each attendee a multifaceted, comprehensive experience.
The Innovation Management Standard, which is released recently, has bring in a lot of new possibilities to work with the companies. This exhibition enabled me to meet many of the delegates from the various countries, which is a huge opportunity to collaborate and bring new insights to these services.
The 5th edition had over 291 foreign buyers from 55 countries, over 8,000 visitors, 2,000 delegates, and more than 200 exhibitors under one roof. A truly insightful, inclusive, and far-reaching event, GES showcases India's prowess across services sectors before a global audience, provides a space for the confluence of various service sectors in India, and creates opportunities for symbiotic growth among nations.